Hello and welcome back to Wooden Crafts Furniture, the home of elegant designs, practical ideas, and beautifully handcrafted wooden furniture. Today, we're diving into one of the most important pieces in every home, the bed frame. But not just any bed frame. This is the luxury wooden bed frame, strong, stylish, and long-lasting. If you're someone who values comfort, durability, and natural beauty, or if you're upgrading your bedroom and searching for a bed that will last for years, this video is going to give you exactly what you need. Stay with me all the way to the end, because this bed frame has surprising features that most buyers never notice, features that completely change comfort, longevity, and the look of your bedroom. Section 1. Why a wooden bed frame still wins today. In today's market, you will find metal beds, plastic beds, and engineered wood beds. But nothing compares to the authentic strength and warmth of real solid wood. A wooden bed frame is more than furniture, it's a lifestyle choice. It brings natural warmth into your bedroom. It creates a peaceful environment. And unlike metal, it doesn't squeak. Unlike MDF, it doesn't crumble. Unlike plastic, it never loses its charm. Wooden beds age beautifully. As the years pass, the grain becomes richer, the color deepens, and the frame tells a story. A wooden bed adds character to your room, and character never goes out of style. Section 2. The craftsmanship behind luxury. Luxury comes from craftsmanship. Craftsmanship comes from patience, skill, and precision. Before making this bed frame, the wood undergoes careful selection. Only strong, fully seasoned hardwood is used. This prevents warping, bending, and cracking. Once the wood is chosen, the shaping process begins. Every cut is measured, every angle is checked, and every joint is crafted with accuracy. The craftsman ensures that every part fits perfectly without forcing or gaps. That's what keeps the bed silent, stable, and strong for many years. Handcrafted furniture is not mass-produced. It carries the touch of the maker. It has personality, soul, and uniqueness that machines cannot replicate. Section 3. Solid wood materials for maximum strength. Let's talk about the materials, because everything starts with the wood. This bed frame is made from solid hardwood, which is known for high load-bearing capacity, long lifespan, moisture resistance, natural beauty, stability and strength. Hardwood includes species like mahogany, acacia, teak, oak, or eucalyptus depending on availability. These woods are trusted around the world for their excellent performance in furniture. The thickness of the bed legs, the density of the wood, and the strong joints all work together to create a bed that will not shake, bend, or wear out easily. This is the kind of bed you invest in once and keep for years. Section 4. Design features that make this bed luxury. Luxury doesn't always mean complicated. In fact, the beauty of this bed lies in its clean lines, smooth finishing, and balanced proportions. Here are some design features that make it stand out. 1. A sturdy headboard with elegant curves or straight minimal lines. This gives your room a premium look and extra comfort when sitting upright. 2. Thick bed legs for long-term strength. These legs provide excellent stability and hold weight effectively. 3. Perfect mattress support slats. Not too close, not too far, designed for air circulation and even weight distribution. 4. Smooth, natural finishing. The finishing highlights the wood grain, creating a warm, luxurious feel. 5. Balanced height. Not too low to feel uncomfortable and not too high to look bulky, perfectly designed for modern bedrooms. This combination of simplicity and strength is what gives the bed its luxury appeal. Section 5. The perfect fit for any bedroom style. Another advantage of this luxury wooden bed frame is versatility. No matter how your room looks, this bed will blend in beautifully. It matches with modern bedroom designs, minimal Scandinavian interiors, rustic homes, classic traditional styles, contemporary apartments, farmhouse-inspired spaces. Because the wood has a natural tone and texture, it complements any decor, furniture, or color palette. Whether you use bright bedding, warm colors, or neutral designs, everything looks good on a wooden bed. Section 6. Heavy-duty strength. Everyday comfort. Strength is not optional for a bed, it is necessary. This luxury wooden bed frame is built for long-term use. It can handle heavy weight, daily movements, and constant use without losing stability. Here's what ensures its long-lasting strength. Thick hardwood structure, designed not to crack or bend. Strong joints and locking systems, ensures the bed does not squeak or loosen. Evenly spaced slats, these protect your mattress and improve sleep comfort. Protective finishing layers, resist moisture, scratches, and termites. This is a bed designed not just for style but for decades of everyday comfort. Section 7. Finishing touches that make it stand out. The finishing is one of the most important steps in making luxury wooden furniture. This bed frame is polished with high-quality finishes that protect the wood, highlight the natural grain, add shine and elegance, prevent moisture absorption, create a smooth, soft texture. The edges are curved or softened for safety and beauty. The corners are reinforced. And the entire frame has a uniform smoothness that feels luxurious to the touch. Section 8. Why wooden beds last longer than modern alternatives. Metal bends. Plastic breaks. MDF swells. But solid wood stands strong. Wooden beds can last 10, 15, or even 20 years when well maintained. Some families pass them from one generation to the next. This longevity makes a wooden bed frame not just furniture but a long-term investment in comfort and quality. Section 9. The emotional side of wooden furniture. There is something special about natural wood. It brings peace into your room. It feels warm, grounded, and organic. It creates the feeling of a welcoming home. When you lie on a wooden bed at night, it feels stable. It feels safe. It feels like home. That emotional connection is part of the luxury experience. Section 10. Final recommendations before buying. If you're choosing a bed frame, here are the key things to consider. Solid hardwood is always the best choice. Thicker bed legs mean more stability. A strong headboard adds comfort. Smooth finishing increases durability. Good slat spacing supports the mattress. Handcrafted frames last longer.